In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Xero. Connecting Stripe to your Xero account can streamline your payment processing and make it easier to manage your business finances. Let's walk through the process together so you can get everything set up smoothly. First, you'll need to log in to the Xero website. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look for the tab labeled Sales. It's a vital part of managing your invoices and payments, and that's where we'll begin this process. After clicking on Sales, you'll see an option that says Online Payments. Select this to begin setting up how you receive money through digital transactions. This feature helps to enhance the way you handle online payments directly through your Xero account. Next, click on Add a new service. This is where you'll choose which payment service to connect, and in this case, we'll be linking Stripe to ensure you can effectively handle card payments and digital wallets. Now, you'll want to click on Set up cards and digital wallets. Doing this will direct you to a page where Xero offers several payment service options. For the purpose of our task today, you'll focus on getting set up with Stripe. To proceed, hit the Get Set Up with Stripe button. At this point, Xero will guide you through the steps necessary to integrate Stripe into your account seamlessly. You'll notice a button allowing you to add information. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a section where you can enter your Stripe login details. If you don't already have a Stripe account, don't worry. Xero makes it convenient to create a new account right here. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully to either sign in to an existing Stripe account or to establish a new one. Once you input your login details or complete setting up your new account, Stripe and Xero will begin linking together, effectively coordinating your payment processing system with your accounting records. By ensuring these two platforms are connected, your business can enjoy a more streamlined and efficient means of handling digital transactions, all well aligned with your accounting reports. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. By linking your Stripe account to Xero, you've taken a significant step in optimizing your financial management system. Remember, maintaining an organized payment system not only helps with smooth transactions but also saves time in the long run. So there you have it, a detailed guide to integrating Stripe into your Xero platform. Go ahead and give it a try, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, check back here for some more guidance. Good luck, and see you in the next tutorial.